Hello, pelajar-pelajar teacher semua, apa khabar? Harap anda semua sihat-sihat belaka. Kepada siapa yang telah subscribe, terima kasih banyak-banyak. Kepada siapa yang belum lagi, tolong subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you. Alright. Hari ni kita akan belajar do, does and did, tapi ulang kaji, revisions ya. We do some revisions today. Kita buat revision hari ni ya. Alright, di sini saya campurlah do, does and did. Do dan does kita guna untuk simple present tense. Do untuk ramai dan I. Does untuk seorang, did untuk semua. Maksud saya did kita guna untuk past tense untuk kedua-dua. So untuk seorang peramai kita guna did ya. Okey, saya mulakan ulang kaji aja. Okey, do you drive to work every day? Do you drive to work every day? Do. So soalan ni soalan present tense ya. Saya guna do untuk you and every day. Soalan untuk present tense. Do you drive to work every day? So kata kerja dia drive, tak ada perubahan apa-apa. Saya dah beritahu ya, guna do, does and did, tak ada perubahan apa-apa. Alright. Okay, next one. She does not like cakes. She does not like cakes. Dia tidak suka cakes lah. Cake lah yang anda tahu. Alright, she does not like cakes. Like tak ada perubahan apa-apa sebab kita guna does. This is also simple present sentence. Where did they go yesterday? Where did they go yesterday? Kemanakah mereka pergi kemarin? Kemanakah mereka pergi kemarin? Sebab tu saya guna did. Kenapa? Yesterday, kemarin. Soalan untuk past tense kita guna did. Seorang atau ramai sama aja. Alright. Where did they go yesterday? Tak ada perubahan apa-apa. Go. Okay. Soalan untuk present tense. Does he want to come along? Does he want to come along? Adakah dia hendak datang bersama? Along, bersama. Does he want to come along? Dah guna does. Sini tak ada perubahan apa. Soalan untuk simple present tense. Okay. Ask him what to do. Ini simple aja. Ask him what to do. Tanya dia apa yang hendak dibuat. Okay. Do maksud lain membuat ataupun lakukan. Okay. Ask him what to do. Tanyanya ataupun tanya dia lah. Untuk lelaki ya. Tanya dia apa yang perlu dibuat. Okay. Next one. Did they disturb you yesterday? Did they disturb you yesterday? Adakah mereka mengganggu kamu kemarin? Adakah mereka mengganggu kamu kemarin? Kemarin kan. So we use did. Tengok ramai sama juga. Did. Seorang atau ramai samalah untuk did. Okay. What did you want to buy from the mall just now? What did you want to buy from the mall just now? Apakah yang kamu hendak beli dari pasar raya tadi? Ataupun baru tadilah, just now. Past tense, so kita guna did. What did you want to buy from the mall just now? Kata kerja want, tidak ada perubahan. Okay. Next one, soalan untuk present tense. Does your mother speak English? Does your mother speak English? Adakah ibu kamu bertutur dalam bahasa Inggeris? Okay. Adakah ibu kamu bertutur dalam bahasa English? Does your mother speak English? Jangan silap. Soalan kita tak tanya tentang your. Kita tanya tentang mother. Sebab tu kita guna does. Okay. Does your mother speak English? Ramai kalau exam mereka suka buat kesilapan di sini. Mereka terus ingat your. Mereka akan tambahkan do di sini. Salah ya. Does your mother, kita tanya tentang mother untuk seorang does. Okay. Does your mother speak English? Speak tak ada perubahan sebab kita guna does. Do I have to go now? Do I have to go now? Adakah saya perlu pergi sekarang? Adakah saya perlu pergi sekarang? I walaupun seorang kita guna do. Ingat ya. Do I have to go now? So go tidak ada perubahan. Alright. Do I have to go now? Next. Do you have time for dinner with me? Do you have time for dinner with me? Adakah kamu ada masa untuk makan malam dengan saya? Adakah kamu ada masa untuk makan malam dengan saya? Do you have time? Adakah masa? Okay. For dinner with me. Untuk makan malam dengan saya. You, kita guna do. Okay, soalan simple present tense. Do you have time for dinner with me? Next one. Did you play netball just now? Did you play netball just now? Okay, did saya tanya soalan untuk baru tadi, past tense. So saya guna did. Alright. Macam selalu saya sebut did seorang atau ramai sama. Alright. Did you play netball just now? Alright, saya sambung. Sama juga ya. Does your friend fetch you to work every day? Does your friend fetch you to work every day? Fetch ada kaitan dengan mengambil kamu dengan kereta ke apa. Okay, fetch you to work every day. Does your friend fetch you to work every day? Ini soalan untuk simple present tense. Does untuk simple present tense. Does your friend fetch? Lihat perkataan fetch, tidak ada perubahan apa-apa. Okay, mengambil kamu lah untuk pergi ke kerja. Does your friend fetch you to work every day? Adakah kawan kamu membawa kamu ke tempat kerja setiap hari? Fetch ataupun menumpang lah. Alright. Next one, we were too tired, so we didn't go to the party. We were too tired, so we didn't go to the party. Kami merasa terlampau letih, oleh itu, so maksud oleh itu ya, oleh itu kami tidak pergi ke majlis. Mungkin majlis hari jadi ke, majlis perkahwinan ke, alright, parti, majlis lah. We were too tired, so we didn't go to the party. Kami terlampau letih, sebab tu kami tidak pergi ke majlis. This is past tense lah. Nampak ini verb past tense, tired, letih. Tired memang ejaan dia memang macam tu, bukan tambah ed ke apa. Tired, letih. We were too tired, so we didn't go to the party. Go, no changes, tak ada perubahan. Next one, they did not pay the bills just now. They did not pay the bills just now. Mereka tidak bayar bil lah. Tadi bil, kalau bil air ke elektrik ke Astro ke apa-apa lah. Alright. They did not pay the bills just now. Okay. Next one. Ini soalan past tense lah, anda tahu. Doesn't she sleep early? Doesn't she sleep early? Adakah dia, maksudnya selalulah kita boleh faham dia tanya untuk selalu. Sebab doesn't untuk present tense, kalau saya tidak letakkan masa, anda perlu fahamlah doesn't present tense. Mungkin adakah dia selalu tidur awal. Okay, doesn't she sleep early? Doesn't she sleep early? Guna doesn't, sleep tak ada perubahan. Alright. Next one, what does Shanti want from you? What does Shanti want from you? Apakah yang Shanti hendak daripada kamu? Apakah yang Shanti hendak ataupun mahu daripada kamu? Want, no changes. Okay, does, simple present tense, question. Okay, what does Shanti want from you? Next one, she didn't buy anything when she visited Perak. She didn't buy anything when she visited Perak. Dia tidak beli apa-apa apabila dia melawat Perak. Apabila dia pergi ke Perak lah, melawat lah, visited. She didn't, saya guna didn't. Okay, she didn't buy anything when she visited Perak. This is past tense word, visit, visited. Past tense word ya, so we use didn't. Alright, she didn't buy anything when she visited Perak. Okay, why do you didn't tell her the truth? Why you didn't tell her the truth? Kenapa kamu tidak beritahu dia hal yang sebenar? Yang sebenar, true ataupun yang benar. Okay, why you didn't tell her the truth? Sorry, why you didn't tell her the truth? Kenapa kamu tidak beritahu dia yang sebenar ataupun hal yang sebenar? Alright, setakat ni saya selalu beritahu bila guna do, does dan did tidak ada perubahan, tidak ada tambahan s ataupun es ataupun ed untuk past tense. Tapi di sini ayat ini kita perlu tambahkan s ataupun es ataupun ed untuk past tense. Okey. Sambil baca ayat saya akan beritahu. Alright. Kita ke ada tambahan s ataupun es walaupun kita guna do, does, did. Alright. She likes to go to the movie. Sorry, she likes to go to movie. Doesn't she? She likes to go to movie. Doesn't she? Di sini ada s. Kenapa masih ada s? Okay, saya tambahkan the di sini. Perlu ada the. Okay, she likes to go to the movie. Doesn't she? Okay, ada perkataan doesn't, tapi kenapa masih guna s di sini? Okay, sebabnya kata kerja terletak di awal ayat, lepas tu baru doesn't. Kata kerja dulu, lepas tu baru doesn't. Sebab tu kita akan guna likes, okay, dulu dengan s, lepas tu doesn't. So bila doesn't kemudian selepas kata kerja masih gunakan s. Alright, listen. She likes to go to the movie, doesn't she? Ada S, tambahan S sebab doesn't datang kemudian. Okay, selepas ayat tu. Okay, we go to he. He drives to work every day, doesn't he? He drives to work every day, doesn't he? He drives. Masih ada penggunaan S sebab doesn't datang kemudian. Lepas kata kerja. Doesn't selepas kata kerja. So kata kerja dulu, lepas tu baru doesn't, sebab tu masih ada penggunaan S di sini. Okay. Siti sews clothes sometimes, doesn't she? Siti sews clothes sometimes, doesn't she? Siti sews, ada S, menjahit ya. Masih ada S sebab kata kerja dulu, lepas tu baru doesn't. Alright, masih ada S sebab kata kerja dulu. Alright, kata kerja dulu, lepas tu baru penggunaan doesn't. Siti sews clothes sometimes, doesn't she? Lihat di sini, kita tak boleh tanya yang begini. She likes to go to the movie, does she? Kita tak boleh guna does. Okay, doesn't. Saya pernah beritahu positive sentence, negative tag. Yang ni semua question text. Okay, question text yang ni semua. So, she likes to go to the movie, doesn't she? Bukan does she ya. Positive sentence, negative tag. Okay, positive sentence, negative tag. Alright. Next one. The car, kereta satu je. The car always breaks down. The car always breaks down. Lihat sini, ada S untuk breaks down. Rosak lah. Kalau kereta rosak, kita kata break down. Okay. The car always breaks down. Doesn't it? The car always breaks down. Doesn't it? It sebab saya selalu beritahu kan, it untuk benda atau binatang. Okay, the car always breaks down, doesn't it? The car always breaks down, doesn't it? Faham ya, kereta tu selalu rosak, betul kan? Macam itulah cara kita tanya, kadang kita tanya betul tak. Okay, next one. They go for lunch together sometimes, don't they? They go for lunch together sometimes, don't they? Kenapa pula sini saya guna don't? Sebab they kita selalu guna do. Okay, so untuk soalan positive sentence, negative tag, kita tak boleh tanya do they. Alright, they go for lunch together sometimes, don't they? They go for lunch together sometimes, don't they? Mereka selalu pergi makan tengah hari bersama, betul tak? Macam itulah cara kita tanya. Okay, ingat ya, jangan tanya do they pula. Alright, positive sentence, negative tag. Alright, we like. Lihat go di sini tak ada perubahan sebab untuk ramai memang selalu tak ada perubahan. Okay, untuk simple present tense lah, selalu tak ada perubahan kan. So sama juga bila kita tanya soalan, tak ada perubahan juga untuk ramai ya. They go, we like, she like, no changes. Alright, I continue. We like to travel, don't we? We like to travel, don't we? Like, no changes. Okay, and kita suka melancong ataupun pergi bercuti lah, travel lah, pergi sana sini, berjalan-jalan. Okay, we like to travel, don't we? Kita suka melancong ataupun kita juga suka pergi bercuti, betul tak? Macam itulah cara kita tanya. We like to travel, don't we? Ingat ya, bukan do we ya, don't we. Positive sentence, negative tag. Alright, my friends. My friends ramai ya, tak ada perubahan di sini. Ini sama dengan present tense sebab ramai memang tak ada perubahan. Ingat ya, friends ramai ada S. Ini kata bilangan, S untuk kata bilangan ya, ramai kawan-kawan. Alright, my friends work at the same office, don't they? My friends work at the same office, don't they? My friends ramai, work tak ada perubahan. Okay, positive sentence, negative tag. Okay, positive sentence, negative tag. My friends work at the same office, don't they? Kawan-kawan saya bekerja di office yang sama je, pejabat yang sama, betul tak? Kerana dalam bahasa Melayu kita tak boleh translate yang do, does, okay? Betul tak kita tanya macam tu. Alright, my friends work at the same office, don't they? Your colleagues, okay, C-O-L-L-E-A-G-U-E-S, okay, C-O-L-L-E-A-G-U-E-S. Takut nanti anda tak nampak. Your colleagues, kawan sekerja, okay, kawan-kawan sekerja. Your colleagues, ramai kan S. Okay, ramai saya tulis S di sini. Your colleagues, kawan-kawan sekerja kamu. Okay, your colleagues are friendly, don't they? Sorry. Okay, your colleagues are friendly, don't they? Your colleagues are friendly, don't they? T-H-E-Y ya, di sini. Your colleagues, kawan sekerja kamu. Kawan sekerja kamu peramah. Friendly maksudnya peramah. Betul tak kita tanya? Okay, don't they? Your colleagues are friendly, don't they? Kawan sekerja kamu adalah peramah. Mereka peramah. Ini sifat, ini sifat ya. Kawan-kawan sekerja kamu peramah. Okey, betul tak? Macam itulah cara kita tanya selalu. Your colleagues are friendly, don't they? Okey, kita sambung dengan yang tadi juga. Kali ni kita guna untuk past tense. Lihat di sini. Kita guna didn't tapi masih ada penggunaan ed. Ataupun selain daripada ed lah. Macam went. She went to the office, didn't she? She went to the office, didn't she? Dia telah pergi ke pejabat. Okay, betul tak? Okay. She went to the office, didn't she? Went. Masih ada perubahan. Kita guna did tapi masih ada perubahan past tense. Kenapa? Kata kerja dulu, lepas tu baru didn't. Ataupun did lah. Alright. So untuk ayat ni didn't. She went to the office, didn't she? Masih gunakan past tense. Sebab kata kerja dulu, lepas tu baru didn't. Okay. Alright. He took your file, didn't he? He took your file, didn't he? Dia telah mengambil file kamu, betul tak? Okay, didn't he? He took your file, didn't he? Took past tense. Masih guna past tense sebab kata kerja dulu, lepas tu baru didn't. Okay. Took past tense daripada perkataan take. Saya rasa anda dah belajar. Banyak dah saya beri contoh-contoh ayat dan jadual grammar ataupun jadual tenses saya telah beri. Alright. Okay, he took your file, didn't he? Kenapa guna didn't? Sebab past tense. Okay, past tense, went, took, semua past tense. Kita guna didn't. They, saya dah beritahu past tense did ataupun didn't, seorang atau ramai sama. Okay, sekarang they, mereka. They bought a new car last week, didn't they? They bought a new car last week, didn't they? Mereka telah belikan kereta yang baru minggu lepas. Okay, mereka telah berikan kereta yang baru minggu lepas. Bought, pasan dari perkataan buy. Belilah, buy. Alright. Bought, sebab tu kita guna didn't. Kita cakap tentang, tanya tentang sesuatu yang berlaku pada masa lepas, kita guna didn't. Alright. We washed our car last week. We washed our car last week, didn't we? We washed our car last week, didn't we? Washed, past tense ada ed. Masih ada ed di sini walaupun guna didn't sebab kata kerja dulu, lepas tu baru didn't. Alright. We washed our car last week, didn't we? Last L-A-S-T ya. L-A-S-T. Faham ya? Okay, next to last two sentences. John was sebab seorang lah. Okay, ini past tense daripada is. John was injured, didn't he? John was injured, didn't he? Injured maksudnya terluka ataupun cedera. Mungkin accident ke apa-apa, jatuh ke. Alright. John was injured, didn't he? John telah cedera, betul tak? Kalau nak translate ke bahasa Malaysia, kita tak boleh translate semua ya. Okay, didn't he? Betul tak? Okay, John was injured, didn't he? Cedera. Right. Masih guna past tense sebab kata kerja dulu telah injured, telah terluka, jatuh, terluka. Okay, your friend went home just now, didn't he? Your friend went home just now, didn't he? Kamu telah balik tadi. So, go, past tense, went. Masih guna past tense sebab kata kerja dulu, lepas tu baru didn't. Okay, di sini saya letakkan he. Your friend, mungkin kalau perempuan anda tukar ke she lah. Alright. Sebab dia kata kawan, mungkin perempuan, mungkin lelaki. Di sini saya letak lelaki ya. Your friend went home just now, didn't he? Your friend went home just now, didn't he? Okay, setakat ni sajalah pelajaran ulang kaji dan perbezaan dengan menggunakan s, es dan ed. Okay, apabila kita guna did, does and do. Baca banyak-banyak kali ya, anda boleh faham. Okay, selalu baca, selalu buat ulang kaji, anda akan faham. Tak susah. Okay, saya rasa setakat ni anda mesti rasa yakin untuk bercakap ataupun bertutur. Jangan lupa ya, baca dengan suara, lepas faham, lepas hafal, baca dengan suara. Alright. So terima kasih banyak-banyak sekali lagi ya kepada sesiapa yang telah subscribe, like, comment and share. Kepada sesiapa yang belum lagi, tolong subscribe, like, comment and share. Jaga diri, okay? Jaga diri. Please take care of yourself. Bye bye.